Hey guys, Steven here. This morning I found my toilet tank leaking right at the base of the seal between the tank and the bowl. And you can see the reddish seal that has water all over it and the water dripping down the side of the toilet bowl, right in the back. So today we're going to try and fix that. First thing I need to do is get all the water out of the tank. So I turned off the water at the valve, and I have flushed the toilet and now splashed as much of the water out of the tank as I can. And now we're going to take off these wing nuts right here, take them completely off. In order to get all the water out of the tank, take the stopper out and use a towel or a rag to soak up the remaining water in the bottom of the tank and just squeeze it down the drain. That's pretty good. That's good enough for now. With the water now out of the tank, I'm going to remove the hose to the tank, and probably a little water will drip out. Remove this rubber washer. Now the tank should lift off for me. This looks like it's deteriorating. You can see the large foam seal is just falling apart. So that looks like it's the part that we're going to need to replace. Unfortunately, I didn't have the exact same rubber seal, but I do have some new guts. So I'm just going to replace the guts, or part of the guts, with this drain guts that I had in the garage. The nut on the bottom of the tank should be hand tight, so we should be able to just slide out the old guts. And I'm going to want to clean off the area where my seal is here and the area where my rubber seal down below, because that seal was deteriorating. I don't want any little parts to get in there. All right, so I want to make sure that that fits. Seal, that looks pretty good there. Now my new guts. Seals on the inside, just like that. The notches in my seal here are going to fit into these little notches in the drain nut. All right, with the tank in place, I can now get my washer. I want to tighten this evenly, so I'm going to put both of the wing nuts on and then tighten them down together once I get them on. It's okay for this to be pretty tight, especially if you're still wobbling a little bit. I'll reconnect my fill holes. While the tank's filling, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot more repairs of things at the house. When things break or if things need to be improved, we'll take you along with, so you can learn how to do the repairs yourself and save a lot of money. Let this fill up. I'll check it in a little bit and make sure I got all the leaks taken care of. Looks like we fixed this one, so we're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.